Hi, I'm Curtis, one of the technicians with Dry Zone Basements. Today we're here for an annual service. Annual service is a mix between an inspection and a cleaning process of the products that are in the basement. In this Super Sump Plus we have here, which is Super Sump Plus, is just a primary pump with a backup system, but we put the triple liner in so it gives the availability for the secondary pump if needed. Volumes become heavier, single pump can't keep up. It gives the space to put the half horsepower secondary pump to help out. So in this case, this customer right here has an Ultra Sump and he has an existing pump. The pump's not through us. We always recommend to have a pump through us. We're going to take care of the warranty. We're going to have it right on the truck if it fails. We're going to be able to replace it, and we'll take care of all the warranty and everything on the back end. Just a little more of a headache that we can take off of their shoulders. So it's always a recommendation to have one of our pumps in there. It's just easier to service, easier to honor the warranty, and an easier replacement if something goes wrong. All right, so when I first arrived on site, this is the first thing I noticed was all the water on the floor, the moisture on the wood, and the condensating of the pipes. This is all due again to the humidity and the coldness. Same thing as putting a glass of water outside, it's going to condensate on the outside. Anything like this where you have that condensation buildup, you're going to have rotting of the material, you're going to have mold growth, you're going to have destruction of the property, as in your cast iron pipes are going to start to rot, things like that. What you really want to do is get your humidity level to under 60. Anything that's going to dormant mold growth, it's going to stop the dew point. So 55 is perfect. We have an amazing unit, the Dry Sedona, that comes from the factory at 55. Naturally dormants all mold, and it's an air purification system as well. After we flood tested the pump, we actually found that there was a leak in the existing discharge. So this is why it's always good for annual services. You got blocking of breather holes, you got failures of pumps, oil leaking from the pumps, leaking pipes, things like that that can go unnoticed and cause huge problems. So an annual service will give you that nice checkpoint list that your pump's working fine, everything's clean, all other issues have been found and taken care of or on schedule to be taken care of. So always get your annual service done once a year, get everything cleaned up, get your checklist, get your pumps taken care of, and make sure everything's good for the rest of the year.